Hey everyone, it's Erin here today, and today I'm going to do an art challenge. This is something that I've wanted to do for a while. I'm not the best artist in the world, but I try. I try really hard. So I do want to grow my artistic ability, and just like with bullet journaling, I believe the best way to do that is practicing. So I'm going to do an art challenge today, and I am using Jazz's Arty Games app that you can see here, and basically it has a ton of different types of challenges that you can do. So there's the color challenge, there's a character challenge, an environment challenge, incremental challenge, scribble challenge, copy challenge, design mix challenge, and custom generator. So there's tons of different options. You can also do a mashup of multiple kinds of those challenges, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to do a single game because this is already terrifying for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do, I think, an environment challenge. I'm used to landscape, so let's just tiptoe here a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do environment challenge. I'm doing infinite amount of time because I'm terrified. So I have to draw a magical forest that has been invaded by alien spiders and features a giant gemstone. That is my environment challenge, so let's get into it. Okay. So here is my final magical forest that has been invaded by alien spiders and features a giant gemstone. So, wow. I don't really know where I was going with this half the time. And then I just like totally forgot that, like, I don't know, a sky is necessary. But I think that kind of gives, I don't know, a little bit of a magical vibe because I really didn't know how to do that. So I just did like colorful plants, I guess, down there, which doesn't really make sense because those are quite large compared to the giant gemstone that is in the center. So I don't know, I felt like the blurriness kind of helped with the magical vibe because I wasn't really sure how to do that. But overall, I had a lot of fun. That looks more like a turtle than a spider. And then I was just like throwing a couple up here. I was like, oh, there's some more spiders coming down. And of course, their alien spaceship with the classic blue light. And then I thought, you know, to break that up, add a bunch of gray to the background. So that was kind of my thought process. Did it make sense? No. Did this entire prompt make sense? No. Am I the best artist? Absolutely not. So I thought that this would just be a fun challenge. I would like to do more of a drawing style in the future. When I heard magical forest, I was just like, you know what? I only have a couple hours to film today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do watercolor so that I can use my spectacular super duper brush that helps me get that type of forest look. So that's what I went with. I hope you all like this video. I had a lot of fun with it and I hope you did too. So I will hopefully see you in some more of these art challenges. I have a lot of challenges planned. And if there's anything that you're interested in, please let me know. The next one is going to be a 3-color art challenge where I use only 3 colors from the Archer and Olive acrylograph pens. And I'm really excited for that. Oh, sorry. So if you have any other types of art challenges you are interested in, maybe a time art challenge for a bullet journal, like a 10-minute art challenge or a 5-minute art challenge in my bullet journal, let me know that as well. So I hope you all have fun watching this mess and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.